Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from Yellow Dot Artist. Thank you for joining me again today. Well, I'm working on a big painting right now, and I needed to paint a bottle of red wine, so that's what today's tutorial is going to be about. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The first red wine color mix involves these four colors. It'll be identical to the second, except in this one you use Alizarin Crimson, and the second one you use a red with the other three colors. Keep adding little bits until you get the exact color that you want. The second color mix for red wine involves these four colors, and again, the only difference is adding red. Add little bits of each color until you get a shade that you like. Let's apply the one on the left to the bottle and see if the shade is right. And then we'll do the same, the paint on the right-hand side. Now I'm mixing the right-hand column. They're the exact same colors, except on the left it's with an Alizarin Crimson, and on the right it's with a deep red. And in the video, they look pretty similar. In person, the one on the right was a lot darker. That's the one that I want for the entire bottle. Now I'm just adding the label. And it looks like white, but it's actually what is the color? It's a parchment. And I turn the canvas so that it's a little easier to get a straight line. But it's very easy to clean up if you have a scrubber brush or a firm brush. That's my scrubber brush. And you dab it in water and kind of dab it off, and then just lightly rub it, and it comes right off. And there it is. Thanks for watching. Head over to my website for more, yellowdotartist.com.